Hey everybody, Nancy here. Today we're going to be looking at dog ribbon. These ribbons are great for collars, for neck bows, for the little ear bows, and we're going to start off spoiling our doggies with this cute spoiled ribbon. This is a 7/8 inch pattern, and it's got glitter in it. It doesn't have glitter, but it just looks like the way they made it. It just looks like it's got glitter. It's got the blue border, and it's got the blue highlight around each letter and the star. And that is a 7/8 inch. And I also have it in a 5/8 inch. Same exact pattern, but a smaller size. Look cute on our boys because they like to be spoiled too. And when you go looking for any of these, you'll find them in my store. I will leave a link below. Now let's get some treats. Give our pups some treats. The cute little treat bones. It says got treats. And the background, the chevron, it's like a bluish gray with the red, with the black paws, and you have a black border. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern, and I also have it in a 5/8 inch. Same running pattern, just a different size. 5/8 inch. Okay. Alright. I recorded this earlier, but for some reason it didn't take. It kept stopping on me. This is a 5/8 inch pattern. Very busy pattern. You've got all these paws in the background. You've got all the black little paws. You've got yellow and green, blue, red, purple, lavender. Just a very busy pattern. And I only have this in a 5/8 inch. And I have another one that has just the paws. And this is a 5/8 inch. And it's got your yellow and your pink, blue, green, purple with the black background. Okay. And those are both 5/8, and I only carry those in 5/8 inch. How about some Patriotic for our pups? They gotta be patriotic too, right? Don't want to forget about them. Great for 4th of July, Labor Day. Any day is a good day to be patriotic. Now this is a 1 inch pattern. I don't know why they sent me the wrong size, but you could still use this on a 1 inch webbing, which I have here. It's just going to be like right to the edge. If you can see that, right to the edge. Whereas with my other collars, if I'm using a 7/8 inch ribbon, you can see how much room you have on the webbing here. And then there's the border. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And I do carry these in my shop under collars, under dog collars. This is a medium, fits up to a 17 inch. Okay. And like this one here, this is a smaller size. This is a 5/8 inch, and this is 5/8 inch ribbon. And see how you have your webbing down here? So you have an overhang for the webbing. So you can use 1 inch. It's just going to go right to the edge of that webbing. Okay, and I do have this in a 5/8. Same exact pattern, just a different size for our smaller dogs. Want all of our pups to be patriotic, yes? Alright, now this is a great pattern for if you do any donating to the animal shelters. these would be great to make and donate. I've donated several to different shelters in the area, and they just love them. And isn't that cute? The Adopt Me with the paw for the circle and the little heart down there. Be a nice little treat for a puppy. Or dog, a puppy. They're all puppies to me. How about some Christmas paws? Now I only have this in a 7/8 because it's been discontinued. This is all I have in this. So there's not going to be any more. And this is a 7/8 inch, like I said. You've got the green and the red and the white dog bones, and you've got the white background. These colors really pop on that white background. All right. And how about some Paw Patrol? Now this is also a 1 inch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the dogs from our Paw Patrol pack with the paws in the background, the different colored paws, and they're all in their little outfits with the logo, the Paw Patrol logo. And I have another one. Here's another one here. This is also a 1 inch. And you don't have to use these for just dog collars. You can use that. They'd be cute for hair bows or wrapping a present, gift giving. Very cute. And this one has 7 of the characters. Colors are really pretty. In the background you got the stripes. You got the stripes in the background, and then you got all the little splatters in the background. And again, this is a 1 inch pattern. Both of these are. Let's see, what else do I have over here? How about some, oh, here we go. We have a little Chihuahua. Look at this little gal. She's so cute. She's got on her little pink outfit with her little crown. She's surrounded with pink and gray bones and pink and gray paws. And I only have this in a 5/8 inch pattern. Okay. Now, what would your dog be without not wearing a Mickey collar? Oh heavens, if you are a part of this Mickey gang, your pup's got to be part of that too. The Mickey ears, you got the paw prints. I'm sure that must be Pluto's paws, yes. In the black and red with the little black and red dots, and you got the black and red border. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And I also have it in, yes, you guessed it, I have it in a 5/8. Same pattern, just a smaller size. 5/8 inch. Now this next one that I have, this is a mess up. They sent me the wrong stuff. This ribbon has got a pale pink background. I don't know if you can see it up against that blue, but it's a pale pink. You can almost see it in the bolt here, how it's pink. Well, that's not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to have a white background. You can really see the lettering is much bolder. This does not meet my standards, okay? You will find this, if you still want it, I have it. You'll find it in my discount ribbon area. So this is what it's supposed to look like, but I'm out of this. So they're going to have to send me new of that. But I do have it in 5/8, and they sent me the right color in the 5/8, and not, I mean, you'd think that they would like catch that, but no. So the 5/8 is correct. Nice and bold, the white background. Yeah. So again, you'll find the one that's got the pink background in the discounted ribbons. Okay, how about, we've got to have a spoiled for our girls, right? For our girl pups. This has got the pink with the what it looks like is glitter background, with the pink around all the lettering and the star and the big star in the middle. Pink background, pink border, and then I also have it in a 5/8. Same thing, just different size. Okay. And you know, there's other things that you could make with this. You don't have to just make dog collars. I mean, yes, you can, but I also do key fobs. So, I mean, you could do key fobs with any of this stuff. Okay? Well, that's it for me today, everybody. You have yourself a good week, and I'll see you either at the end of the week or next week. Bye-bye.